Good morning. We seem to be living in a world of guided missile and misguided markets. India entered the elite ICBM club on Thursday by successfully testing Agni-V long-range missile. The start today is likely to be slightly down due to weak global cues. US stocks fell on the back of disappointing economic data. European indices slipped on worries about the Spain's debt problems. Rumors of a possible downgrade of French rating also hurt the sentiment. Asian markets are mostly in the red. Interest rates seem to be heading down with a few top banks lowering their base rates. Nationalized banks are reportedly under pressure from the center to slash borrowing cost. However, it remains to be seen whether they all will fall in line given the disparate nature of their balance sheet. Reliance Industries and Kane India will be in focus today as they are announcing their quarter 4 results. India's trade gap hit new record in FY12, adding to the pressure on external balance. Fiscal situation is also not quite healthy. Everyone's waiting for further boost from the policy action, but one should not be too optimistic given the current political environment. The Indian indices continue to move northwards with the Nifty holding above the support of 5,280 on intraday basis. The overall structure from medium-term perspective still remains murky as the current up move has not accompanied by an appreciation in the Indian rupee. The level of 5,280 could turn out to be critical if the ongoing up move has to be sustained. Keep an eye on the rupee after it fell to a weakest level in more than 3 months on Thursday. The FIs were net sellers of Rs 1 billion in the cash segment on Thursday, while the domestic institutional investors were net buyers of Rs 1 billion as per the provisional figures released by the NSE. The FIs were net buyers of Rs 4.16 billion in the F&O segment on Thursday, according to the provisional NSE data. The foreign funds were net buyers of Rs 2.82 billion in the cash segment on Wednesday, while the mutual funds were net buyers of Rs 65 million in the cash segment on the same day, according to the SEBI figures. Moving on to recommendations, the technical calls for the day are: we recommend going short on L&T May futures below Rs 1,307 with stop loss placed at Rs 1,332 and for the target price of Rs 1,257. We recommend going short on Bank of India April futures below Rs 366 with stop loss placed at Rs 372 and for the target price of Rs 354. Our derivative strategy for the day is long SCI April futures above Rs 63 for the target price of Rs 67 and a stop loss placed at Rs 61. Thank you. Wish you have a great day ahead.